I've uninstalled a ton of apps from my phone that I felt were just wasting my time. All the social media apps, all the news apps, and I've turned off notifications on anything that was vibrating my leg with information that wasn't timely and important to me right now. And it's for the same reason that I don't keep cookies in my pocket.
Reduce the number of notifications that you're getting.
Turn off notifications. Turning off all notifications.
I'm not using Google anymore, I'm using Quant, which doesn't store your search history.
Never accept the video recommended to you on YouTube. Always choose. That's another way to fight.
There are tens of Chrome extensions that remove recommendation.
I love that you're recommending something to undo what you made.
Yep.
Before you share, fact check, consider the source, do that extra Google. If it seems like it's something designed to really push your emotional buttons, like it probably is.
Essentially, you vote with your clicks. If you click on clickbait, you're creating a financial incentive that perpetuates this existing system.
You make sure that you get lots of different kinds of information in your own life. I follow people on Twitter that I disagree with because I want to be exposed to different points of view.
Notice that many people in the tech industry don't give these devices to their own children.
My kids don't use social media at all.
Is that a rule? Is that a...
That's a rule.
We are zealots about it. We're crazy. And we don't let our kids have really any screen time.
I've worked out what I think are 3 simple rules that make life a lot easier for families and that are justified by the research. So the first rule is all devices out of the bedroom at a fixed time every night. Whatever the time is, half an hour before bedtime, all devices out. Second rule is no social media until high school. Personally, I think the age should be 16. Middle school is already hard enough. Keep it out until high school. And the third rule is work out a time budget with your kid. And if you talk with them and say, well, how many hours a day do you want to spend on your device? What do you think is a good amount? They'll often say something pretty reasonable.
Well, look, I know perfectly well that I'm not going to get everybody to delete their social media accounts, but I think I can get a few. And just getting a few people to delete their accounts matters a lot. And the reason why is that that creates the space for a conversation, because I want there to be enough people out in the society who are free of the manipulation engines to have a societal conversation that isn't bounded by the manipulation engines. So do it. Get out of the system. Yeah, delete. Get off the stupid stuff. The world's beautiful. Look, it's great out there.